Yaman, get to the chopper. A freelance helicopter pilot bureau in Australia has recently gone through a security audit and a new requirement to encrypt all future backups. The backup administrator is wondering what the effect will be of enabling encryption for their existing file share backup jobs. Whew, okay, interesting. So, what kind of options do we have? All existing restore points will be encrypted. This will take a while, but less time than a full backup. In the next run, a new encrypted full backup will be performed of all files in the file share. Encryption can only be enabled if the target backup repository is a scale-out backup repository. That seems a little bit silly. Not sure why that would be the case, but don't forget this is a file share job, so maybe something is different. It depends on the process existing files checkbox in the storage tab of the advanced settings of the file share backup job. So we might have to go and take a look at this UI. And finally, it is not possible to enable encryption for a file share backup job after it has completed successfully at least once. Okay, so let's go here and say Veeam file share backup job. Creating one of these jobs. Okay, so let's go to advanced storage. So here we have the window. Actually, we can see referencing one of the earlier questions, loss protection disabled, so it's not connected to Enterprise Manager. We see the encryption is here. So if we go back, we had the, it depends on the processing existing files in the storage tab of the advanced settings, but there is no such checkbox. So this is clearly not the correct answer. Now, if we scroll up a little bit, sometimes we'll see that we have some note. If you enable encryption for an existing backup job. Okay, so first of all, we want to make sure that we're in NAS backup or file share backup. We are. During the next job session, backup replication will back up all the files of the file share to a new backup file, irrespective of whether they changed or not. The created backup files and subsequent backup files will be encrypted with the specified password. If you enable encryption for the existing job, it does not encrypt the previous backup chain with this job. Okay, so up here it says all existing restore points will be encrypted. Definitely that's incorrect, just based on what we saw down here, right? It does not encrypt previous backup chain, so the first one must be incorrect. A new encrypted full backup will be performed of all files. Well, that seems to match up here, right? It says here we'll back up all the files to new, irrespective of whether they changed or not. So this will definitely be done, and they will be encrypted. So based on what we saw there, this must be the correct answer.